Well, you can tell by the way I use my walk. I'm a woman, no time to talk. The music loud and the women warm. I've been kicked around since I was born, and now it's alright, it's okay. And you may look the other way, but we can try to understand the New York Times effect on me.